A very good morning to my dear children. Okay, and let us continue with our online class, right children? Okay, so as in the previous class we had learned about shoot, right? And we have also studied about stem and the functions of stem. Let us just revise it, right? Stem, it is the main part of the shoot. Stem can be strong also as well as weak stems also, right? Trees such as banyan tree have a thick and a strong stem and which are called as trunk, right? When we talk about trunk, what are those? Those are the stem of what? Banyan trees, which are very thick and strong. Okay, it holds the trees upright and straight. It is the stem who holds the tree straight and upright, means always in a standing position, right? Okay, next we talked about what? Plants such as grapevines and pea have a very weak stem. These plants, they either grow along the ground or they need support of the other plants or the walls or the sticks, right? They cannot be standing straight without any support. They need support either with the help of other plants or wall or sticks. Okay. Next, now we discuss about functions of stem. The main function of the stems are they keep the plants upright. Yes, it is the stem which keeps the plants straight, upright, right? Next, they bears the leaves, flowers, fruits, etc. Yes, it is the stem who bears the leaves, flowers and fruits. Then the next one is about they carry the waters and nutrients from the roots to all the other parts of the plants. They also transport what? Food and food from the leaves to all the other parts of the plants. Now, it is the work of this stem that they are transferring the food or the waters absorbed from the roots to all the other parts of the plants. Right, children? Okay. Next, we have also discussed about that some plants store surplus amount of food prepared by them in the stem. We can eat them, right? What are those? What are those plants? Those are sugarcane, potato, ginger. These are the fruits. Okay, these are the plants who makes the surplus amount of the food prepared by themselves, and those surplus amount of food prepared by them, we human beings and animals eat them, right? Some examples of this type of plants are what? Sugarcane, we eat them, right? Then potato, we eat them, and also ginger. These all are what? Stems, surplus amount of stems prepared by the plants. Okay? Okay. So today let us start our new topic, that is leaf. Leaf. The leaves grows on the stems. Yes, it is the leaves which grows on the stem itself. They are different in shape. Okay. This leaf also we have done, right, children? Okay. Just let us discuss something. Okay, leaves are of different shape and size in different plants. Most leaves are green in color. Yes, when we see around, what we see? Green, and those greens means what? Leaves of the plants, right? Okay, next we have discussed about what? The structure of the leaves. The flat surface of the leaf is called the leaf blade. I have shown with the drawing in the last class, right, children? If you forget that, just go through your book or that previous video, right? You can get this very easily and explained you very simple manner, right? Okay. Many small tubes called the veins cover the entire blade of the leaf. Now, in that leaf, we can see what? The veins. That means what? From a midrib, small veins are coming throughout the leaves. You just go through the leaves, you will understand it. Right, children? Okay. Next, we talked about the long tube passing through the middle of the leaf, that is known as what? Midrib. Midrib means what? Actually, the part of the leaf which is in the middle, the hard part. Okay. It is a long tube passing through the middle of the leaf. In the middle of the leaf, you see one long and little harder line is there. Okay, that is known as what? Midrib. Mid means middle. Just go through that. Okay. Next we talk about the stalk connects the leaf to the stem. It is the stalk which is connecting these leaves with the stem. Okay. Next, tiny openings on the leaves which are known as stomata, which helps them for breathing. And just remember this, that plants breathe in carbon dioxide and plants breathe out oxygen. We human beings breathe in oxygen and we give out carbon dioxide, right? Just the opposite of human being. Plants, they give us and we also give them carbon dioxide, right? In this way, what happens? There is a balance in the nature, right? So let us discuss a new topic, that is the functions of the leaves. What we'll discuss today? The functions of the leaves. Most leaves appear green because they contain a substance called chlorophyll. Okay, most leaves are green in color. Why? Because of the presence of chlorophyll. Okay. Next, chlorophyll helps the leaves to absorb the sunlight. Without this chlorophyll, the leaves are unable to absorb the sunlight, water and air. So it is the chlorophyll which is making the leaves green, and these things helps to absorb the sunlight, air and water. Right, children? Okay. The green leaves prepares food for the plants in the presence of air, water and sunlight. If there is no air, no water, no sunlight, the plants are unable to prepare their food, right? For themselves as well as for we human beings and animals, right? So to prepare the food, what these plants need? They need what? Air, water and sunlight. Okay, chlorophyll is already present in the leaf. So along with that chlorophyll, they need what? Air, water and sunlight for preparing the food for themselves as well as for we human beings and animals. Right, children? Okay. This is why the leaf is known as the kitchen or the food factory of the plant. When we talk about the kitchen, what we do in the kitchen? We prepare the food, right? In the same way, these leaves, they are also known as the food factory or the kitchen of the plant, because they prepare the food. Right, children? Don't get confused, okay? When we talk about the food kitchen, what does it mean? It is a leaf which is preparing food for the plants and we human beings and animals, right? Next, the process by which the green leaves prepares food using carbon dioxide, water and minerals in the presence of sunlight is known as photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means what? The process of preparing food with the help of air, water and sunlight. Okay, in the air in the form of what? Carbon dioxide, because plants takes in carbon dioxide. Plants needs carbon dioxide, right? So photosynthesis means what? The process of preparing of food with the help of air, water and sunlight is known as photosynthesis. Okay, children? If you have doubt, you ask. Okay? Once more, photosynthesis means what? It is the process of preparing of food by the plant with the help of air, water and sunlight in the presence of chlorophyll which is in the leaves, right? Okay. Next, leaves gives out a gas called oxygen, which is essential for our human life, right? Leaves of the plants stores the food. Yes, it is the leaf which stores the food, also prepares the food, right? Spinach, cabbage, lettuce and coriander leaves are the examples of the leaves eaten by the human beings. We call that sag. You know sag sabji. What is this? They are all leaves. Okay, they are all leaves which we eat. Example, spinach, then your cabbage. You eat momo, no? Momo, everyone in the shop. How that momo is made? That momo is made with the help of this cabbage, which is also a leaf. Okay, it is also a leaf which we human beings eat. Okay. Next we talk about flower. Most flowers are brightly colored and have a sweet and pleasant smell. When we see or when we see a flower, it gives a very eye-catching. It looks very beautiful, right? That's why we see the flowers mostly in the garden. Yeah, we go to the garden to fresh ourselves, right? To smell the fresh, right, and pleasant smell of the flowers. Our minds also become fresh, right? Okay. Mostly flowers are brightly colored, okay, and have a very sweet and pleasant smell. Most flowers change into fruits. Yeah. Before becoming a fruit, they has to pass a stage, okay, and flower will become what? Fruit, right? Most fruits have one or more seeds. We have already learned this. Yes, mango has how many seeds? One seed. Okay. Then apple, okay, apple, orange has how many seeds? Few seeds, few. 6, 7, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7 like that. Okay. And when we talk about papaya, tomato, how many seeds are there? Can you count them? No, they have many seeds. That's why we say that fruits may have one, few or many seeds. Right? Okay. Seeds grow into a new plant. That seeds, whatever are there inside the fruit, that seed are again sown in the ground so that new plants are born again. Okay, when that plants will grow, they become big, again they will bear a fruit, we eat, seeds are thrown, again the plants will come. Like that our cycle is going on and on. Right, children? Thus the flowers are important to the plant as they help into reproduce. How the reproduction process takes on with the help of these plants? With the help of the seed. Okay. It is the flowers, they are the very important part of the plant as they help it for reproduction. These flowers becomes fruit, that fruit bears the seed, that seeds when are thrown in the ground, they become a new plant and that new plant will bear what? Fruits again, they will become a big tree, they will bear the fruit, we eat them, again seeds are there, they are left over in the ground, again new plants. Like that's what? The reproduction process continues. Right? Okay. Next part we talk about fruit. Fruits such as mango and plum have a single seed inside them. Okay. Apple, orange and lemon have few seeds. We have already discussed. And fruits such as papaya and watermelon and also what tomato, they have many seeds. We eat fruits of many plants. Yes, we human beings eat fruits. We love fruits, right? Many love mango, many love apple, many love watermelon, many love pineapple. That means what? We are eating lots and lots of fruit for our proper health maintenance, right? Because fruits, they have a citrus acid which is maintaining our body, right? They help us to be away from any kind of disease, danger, right? That's why we prefer eating fruits every day. Like there is a proverb, an apple a day keeps the doctors away. That means what? If you eat apple every day, even if it's one, then also you are maintaining your health. You are maintaining your health means what? You are making a wall for any kind of disease to attack you. Okay, you are what? Disease-free human being. If you eat these apples or as well as many other different fruits, right? Okay, so I hope whatever we have discussed today is clear to you. Okay, go through the video. If you have any kind of doubts, you clear it out so that whatever we have discussed, whatever we have learned, it may be in your mind. You will get the knowledge about these fruits and all. Right? Thank you.